Business technology, driving growth and efficiency in the modern enterprise. Business technology refers to the use of technology tools, systems, and innovations specifically designed to help businesses operate more effectively, make smarter decisions, and deliver greater value to customers. It is a bridge between traditional business processes and the digital age, enabling companies to enhance productivity, improve communication, streamline operations, and remain competitive in a fast-changing marketplace. At its core, business technology includes a wide range of solutions, such as cloud computing, enterprise software, data analytics, cybersecurity tools, automation, and collaboration platforms. These tools support everyday operations, from customer relationship management, CRM, and supply chain logistics to marketing analytics and financial forecasting. Key components of business technology: information technology, IT, infrastructure, servers, networking equipment, databases, and cloud platforms form the backbone of any modern business. They ensure data storage, application hosting, and seamless communication across departments. Enterprise software. Tools like ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, CRM, and HRM, Human Resource Management. Systems help manage core business functions, automate workflows, and provide real-time data for better decision-making. Cloud computing. The cloud allows businesses to access computing resources and services on demand, reducing the need for expensive physical infrastructure. It also enables flexibility, scalability, and remote work capabilities. Data analytics and AI. Advanced analytics and artificial intelligence help companies uncover insights from data, forecast trends, optimize operations, and personalize customer experiences. Cybersecurity. As businesses become more digital, protecting sensitive information is essential. Cybersecurity solutions safeguard systems from data breaches, cyber attacks, and internal threats. Collaboration and communication tools. Platforms like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Zoom enable real-time collaboration, remote meetings, and efficient communication, crucial in today's hybrid and remote work environments. Benefits of business technology. Increased efficiency. Automating repetitive tasks saves time and resources. Better decision-making. Access to real-time data supports smarter, faster business decisions. Improved customer service. CRM systems and AI-powered chatbots enhance the customer experience. Cost savings. Cloud solutions reduce capital expenses and maintenance costs. Scalability. Businesses can quickly adapt and grow without overhauling infrastructure. Trends in business technology. Digital transformation. The move toward fully digitized operations across all industries. AI and machine learning, enhancing everything from customer service to supply chain optimization. 5G and IoT, supporting faster connectivity and smarter devices for real-time operations. Sustainable tech, using energy-efficient solutions to meet environmental goals. Remote work technology, ensuring businesses stay productive regardless of location.